I welcome you all to this wonderful episode. I'm going to be showing you the latest free AI tool that will help you generate your videos, that is text to videos, image to videos, and you'll also be able to generate hyper realistic image. Now let's dive into our ChatGPT to get our prompts. Alright, this will be our prompt for image, and this would be our prompt for video. Alright, if you know how to speak to ChatGPT for you to get a perfect prompt, fine and good, and if you don't, you can drop it in the comment section. If you want me to show you, you can see how my prompt is very well detailed. So when you have a well detailed video prompt, then you're going to have a very well and beautiful output. Now we are diving into the AI tool now, and you go to your Chrome browser, you type Digin.ai, just the same way you are seeing it on my screen. Digin.ai. Alright, this is Digin.ai. If you are coming the first time, the moment you search Digin.ai and you get to this interface, it's going to ask you to sign in with your Google account. Make sure you please sign in with your Google account. I have signed in, that's why you can see my Google this thing here. So when I tap on it now, you can see sign out and whatsoever and everything. So you can as well sign out and make use of another Google account. You can always find a way out to switch and everything. Alright, diving straight into the video. Now you can see where it says describe your video. So you tap on describe your video, you tap on you paste your prompts, then you can see this place where you have a star. So you tap on it for it to generate your video. Alright, our video is creating tags. It's generating. Alright, while our video is generating, let's go into ChatGPT to get our image prompts. The concept of the video the video prompts I pasted on Digin.ai is about a young lady still lying on the bed while the husband is well dressed up already, ready for work. Then she woke up immediately and asked the husband that he has not given her money yet for the week. So the husband replies and says he gave her money last week and she didn't cook anything for him. That is, he did not eat anything in the house last week. Therefore, she should make use of the money for last week to sort her bills. Alright, so let's see the response. Let's see the outcome of the video prompt. What I just did now is to refresh the page. My network is a little bit bad, that's why I refresh. So okay, the video is still generating. Alright, this is the outcome of our video. So what do we do next? We tap on download. This is the download button. You tap on download for it to download, and as well you can make use of image to video. You can see here where we have our start and our end. So you just tap on start, you point out your image from there, then you turn into video. Now let's watch the video.
Where do you think you are going without giving me money for this week?
Last week I gave you money and you didn't even...
Alright, you can see that's just a 5 seconds video. That's just a 5 seconds video, and you see how it is looking very realistic. Now let's try to generate our image. So we have our image prompt already, so let's just copy and paste. I love ChatGPT a lot. Alright, let it generate our image for us now. This is the previous one I generated with the same prompt. So in fact it gives me almost nearly the same thing. I use the same prompt anyways, so it should be the same. First, second, third. You can see how very realistic it is. You can see how very realistic it is. Can you see? What a very perfect image. All right, if you have learned anything or if you have get anything in this video, please make sure you like, you share, you comment, and if there's anything you want me to show you or anything you want to learn from me, you can just drop it in a comment and I'm gonna make a video on that. Thank you so much for watching. Let's see the video once again and let me show you how you can always remove the watermark on your video.
Where do you think you are going without giving me money for this week?
Lastly, when I gave you money.
All right, this is the video and this is the watermark Daijin AI. So what do you do when you're when you get into CapCut? You either zoom your video for you to take away this watermark, or you make use of the AI tool for removing watermark, or you can as well cover it with your brand name. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.